Starting a small business, you are a complete how to guide. The US is a home to million small businesses which drive our 43 of GDP. If you are looking to start a business, there are key factors to consider from market research and creating a business plan to scaling your businesses. These factors are critical to your journey and can make a big difference no matter what stage of the process you are in. Who take concrete action can differential themselves from invite and grow for successful. The situation of the business is often what means the most. Starting a small business involves extensive market research of your target audience, competitor, and gaining a deep understanding of the industry. It is important to build a comprehensive business plan. The includes the product or service description, your target customer, financial projection, and all other key details. Understanding the legal requirement of starting your businesses involves knowledge of business registering permits, licensing, and other regularity requirement. There are various types of funding channels for starting a business, including financing it yourself, securing external funding from your network, and applying for government and corporate grants and loans. Being clear about your businesses involves doing your search. Successful entrepreneurs after do extensive research on their field. This includes understanding their prospective customer, the technical aspects of the industry, and the challenge other businesses are facing. Understanding how other players operate in an industry in important. Attending conference, joining association, and building a network of people involved in the field can help you learn how are made often. Market research takes 6 months to a year. Knowing your target market is critical for many reasons. These are the customers who are most likely to purchase your product, recommended it to friend, and become repeat buyers. Apart from driving your bottom line, having a strong understanding of your target audiences will allow you to tailor your offering more effectively, research your customers more efficiently, and image customer expectation. Compiling data on age, family, wealth, and other factor can give you a clearer understanding of market demand for your product and your potential market size. It's important to ask who would someone buy this and part with their income, or will someone love this enough to tell someone about it. At the heart of these question is understanding whether your businesses solve the key problem as well as whether it deliver the more that connects to your audience. Human to find an advantage in a in a given market. Look at key market trends in customer behavior and the business's landscape. Explore the status of business condition and consumer spending along with the economic environment, and interest rates may affect financing and businesses growth. Several resources are available to dive into market trends across industries such as